Hey guys, after so many years and so many leaks, Samsung revealed it. Today, just recently, Samsung teased its foldable phone at Samsung's developer conference in San Francisco, and Samsung also confirmed possible design for their 10th anniversary Galaxy S10, which we talked about in a bit. So first one is the foldable device, which was showcased on a stage, and that was actually a prototype and encased in a thick box to prevent us seeing what the final retail version will look like. However, the basic gist of how the device works, how it's folded or unfolded. So in its default state, in folded state, the device looks like a typical smartphone, a bit smaller because it has a 4.6-inch screen, and also it looks way more thicker. But again, it's a prototype, not a final unit. Maybe in the final unit we get a little bit bigger screen and with a little bit smaller bezels, and maybe we get a little bit thinner form factor also. But when you unfold the phone, it doubles in size horizontally, making it a 7.3-inch square shaped tablet, which is definitely amazing. The Android UI automatically changes between different layouts depending on whether the device is closed or open. You can use all your apps as you normally would in its closed state, which will feel familiar as it's shaped like a normal smartphone. When you unfold the device, everything gets expanded to make better use of the bigger display, and yet totally different and smoother UI than the recently announced FlexPay smartphone Royo Technologies foldable phone. And here's also an app continuity between the two states of the smartphone, meaning for example, if you are using Google apps while the phone is closed, when you unfold the display, Google Maps will still be open and will automatically resize itself to match the new layout. Means if you're using something important in its folded state and you have to use bigger display without losing anything, so you just have to open a phone into a tablet, and a thing that was open in its folded state will be open in its unfolded state with a different layout. And also, here's a new thing which Samsung made specifically for the foldable phones. In my last video, we talked about that according to Samsung Mobile CEO, the foldable phone of Samsung will have one of the most powerful multitasking capabilities, and now here it is. Samsung created a new system called multi-active window, which allows you to run up to 3 apps at the same time. Yes, at the same time, you can use up to 3 apps when the phone is in its unfolded state. This will help you multitask and will likely be a large part of the future marketing campaign for the smartphone. So here all we have about the foldable Galaxy phone, which is teased officially today by Samsung, but unfortunately Samsung did not give us any hard details about the phone, such as a name, release date or price, but it is expected to be called Galaxy F with a 4000 to 6000 mAh battery. The phone might get launched at CES 2019 with a 7nm processor, which will likely be the Snapdragon 8150 for US and Exynos 9820 for all over the world. The mass production for this foldable phone will begin this month, means we'll see more leaks about it pretty soon, so be sure to subscribe for that. And yeah, it is expected to cost $1,800, which is really very expensive, but again, it's just an expected price. Also, Samsung not only teased the foldable phone, they also announced their new Infinity displays, including Infinity U, Infinity V, Infinity O, and Infinity Flex. The Infinity Flex display will obviously used in the foldable phone, whereas the Infinity O will be used in the Samsung Galaxy S10, as it has this hole on a side for the camera. So it further confirmed that Galaxy S10 will indeed have this design, as Samsung software also leaked this design recently. So yeah, that's all we have on the Samsung's foldable phone and Samsung Galaxy S10. If you want to know more information about the Samsung Galaxy S10, then check out my previous videos and let me know what you think about the foldable Galaxy phone. I'm eagerly waiting for your thoughts in the comments down below, and like I said, be sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and yeah, see you soon.